Welcome to our channel. PlayStation network errors can prevent you from playing online, but these troubleshooting steps will help restore your connection quickly. Step 1. Check the PlayStation network status page at status.playstation.com to determine if there's a widespread outage affecting services. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation console by fully powering it off, waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on to refresh network connections. Step 3. Test your internet connection through the PlayStation settings menu under Network to identify if the issue is with your local network or PSN. Step 4. Restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for full reconnection. Step 5. Verify your PSN account is active and not suspended by checking your email for any notifications from PlayStation regarding account status. Step 6. Update your PlayStation system software to the latest version by going to Settings, System Software, and selecting System Software Update and Settings. Step 7. Manually configure your DNS settings to use public DNS servers like Google DNS at 8.8.8.8 for improved connectivity. Step 8. If problems continue, initialize your PS5 network settings or rebuild the database through safe mode to resolve deeper connection issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.